Well, it's Christmas time again, and I thought I'd do another video of my layouts. You've seen some of these before on my other videos. I made a few changes this year. I brought a couple in from the garage. So now I have 5 Christmas layouts in my living room. This one here goes around the pillar, or the column here between the living room and the dining room. These are battery operated trains. Just kind of toy trains, but it was really fun to build this. And then over here I brought this end scale layout in from the garage. It's 6 feet long. And over here I brought this one in from the garage. Just a little Christmas village. It's kind of a nice, unique track plan. There's 2 90-degree crossings and 1 60-degree crossing in the back. Just 4 feet by 3 feet. It makes for a nice long run for such a small layout. And then we have a little Christmas tree of trains here. And this one's been up for a couple years, just a snow village, houses, and a little Lionel train. So it was fun to rearrange the living room, moved all the furniture around with the front door. So I'll be putting some more videos on later in the year of my larger HO layout. You've seen that before on some of my other videos. That's all for now.